Vozzy Vlogs presents. Welcome back to Vozzy Vlogs 1. So today we are going to the fishing place, right, Jude?
Yep.
I don't know what's it called?
I'm not sure.
Like Kramer.
No, it's around Trader Joe's.
By our local Trader Joe's, and we're going to go fishing today. So we have Dree Boy, that's Harrison, and Jude's up there. Jude and Dad. And we're going to go maybe get some hot cocoa again. It's our third trip to Starbucks. And yeah, so we'll see you when we get there. Bye. Here we go. Oh, here.
Instead of your
Yummy. Adelines.
let them have them. Why don't you I'll get my coffee ready. Why don't you open those up while you guys are waiting?
Okay, we got some Adelines.
Sit down.
Yummy.
Oh, is that
Okay, we have the tackle box right here. This lake. So pretty. No, we're not going to fall in there. There we go. Some fishing. Some crane. What is that, a crane or something? Woo! It's kind of muddy. Okay, here we go. Here he goes. He's going to launch or cast out. Okay. There's his bobber. Might take a while. He has... What kind of bait do you have on?
a worm?
A worm, fake worm from his tackle box. Woo! Decided to move areas because couldn't really find anything over on that side.
This one looks
we made
clear.
It clear. So apparently this one's more clear. Oh. So we come to this place over here. I'm not sure how this is going to work, but let's hope we can get for a fish. Hello. Hello. This is scary. There's a big swarm of things. They're literally attacking me. Oh my goodness, I'm surrounded. Oh jeez. Woo! Oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! And come back into the... Hello. Uh-oh, the mama. Run, 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 run! Oh jeez. Jude's new tackle box with some brand new glitter. I don't know why they put glitter ones. To make it visible. We have some little ones. Jude's tackle box. And we have some meat in there. And some fish and some squids. And some hooks. And some little fish. And here he goes.
My little fish.
This little blue fish.
Oh, make sure you're not tagged.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Toss to the side. There you go.
Good. So it's way... You can see that ripple. That's his. Right there. That big ripple wave.
Yeah, that's a nice dog, huh?
Okay, well, he's a bobber.
Pete, I think you gotta go slower. See how slow that guy goes when he reels it in?
Very nice.
He throws it out there.
Park, and it's 10:30 right now. So yeah,
I just flick it out.
it's looks like Jif Palm.
You want me to cut it and redo it for you?
9, 10.
That is so
I'm
cute.
done.
You're done fishing?
This is not island.
So cute. I didn't take a try because, well, Jude's not really having any luck right now. Well, okay then. I think it's fun. These ducks are so cute. Hi. Why am I even talking? So comment down below if you like to fish or you have gone fishing or caught a fish. Jude's, we go to the creek and there is tons of fish, but I think the water's a little murky and he's kind of giving up. But comment down below if you fish as a hobby or you just like to fish. Goose and duck droppings everywhere. Ooh. There's like goose poo and goose droppings everywhere. Look.
My cousin Goose.
Yeah, that's what we call my cousin. Someone else is filming like a real professional movie, not a vlog. If you can't tell, there's like a boom mic, camera crew, and I saw this other people vlogging. It's like a very popular thing, I guess. I know. Some airplanes. We have tons of airplanes where I live. So, end this vlog right now because we didn't really catch anything today. But we did have tons of fun. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll be back with more videos. Bye!